Un, dos, tres, y...
Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Joy. January was full of ups and downs for me, like I think it is for all of us, as much as it is a new year, and I really do believe that a lot of amazing change will happen this year. It is also a continuation of everything that happened in 2020. Before I start recapping the month, I just wanted to take a moment to acknowledge all of you that are really struggling still with the pandemic and that are in lockdown and still under really strict and tight restrictions. I get a lot of comments on my vlogs that are confused as to why we are allowed to have gatherings and not wear masks. And I'm just really lucky to be living in a place where we haven't had any cases for months and months, and we get to live life pretty normally apart from really large gatherings. So I just wanted to acknowledge that before I continue on with this video, because it is really hard right now for a lot of you, and I am really lucky to be in my position, and I just really hope that my videos can help in some way, and I just am sending so much love. Without further ado, let's recap what happened this month. A lot of sunrises.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Bright and early. You like that? I love that. Thank you. You're welcome. This feels wrong, Joy. I know, this feels very wrong. Let's adjust. That's much better. The fact that I can wake up and drive and see my friends and watch the sunrise on the beach is just something I really hope I never take for granted, and I really am just so grateful that I can do that. 12th of January, I went to Lennox Head to my hairdresser Claire. This was the first time I went to her. She just added some blonde and toning in my hair, so she just like redid my already existing blonde, and I just really love what she did. I think she did such a good job. I just wanted like a really natural blend so that I don't have to maintain my roots. Definitely check her out. I'll leave her Instagram down below. She is so lovely. Can you try these roots with it, please? 15th of January, my friend Charlotte had her birthday party. It was ABBA themed, so I went to Grace's and we all got ready. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's cute. The boots are pretty high though.
Trying to fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fucking 100 carats. But you never could imagine. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down.
It was such a fun night. It felt so good to dance, and it was just like running from the dance floor to the pool. I decided to do an impromptu shoot. As you guys know, I've talked about it quite a bit on this channel. I'm launching a platform, guys. It's coming. I'm just really struggling to find the time. That is coming this year, but I had to do some shoots for it. So last minute, I called my friend Jazz, who is a really amazing filmmaker, and was like, do you want to shoot right now? And he was like, okay. And I just called Grace and Maya. I was like, can you model right now? And they were like, okay. So we went to Bronze and we did some shooting at night, which was honestly, you can just watch the clips. We want to get a shot with like these lights. And background. Oh my god! Fuck. They were screaming, I have no idea why. I hope they're not dying. Guys, can we just tell the vlog real quick how traumatic that was? We just were in, literally, Jazz got attacked by a stingray. There was shrimp everywhere. Everything was terrifying.
Christ!
Wow, my adrenaline is pumping. Okay.
I think there's little like prawns on me. I got so much stingray. So good.
We're at the fair. Let's go on the swing. We're blind. I was telling the girls that night as well, like one of the things I love most about filmmaking is that it really does push you to do things that you wouldn't normally do. Like there is no way I would have entered that water at night if I wasn't doing a video. But it was so much fun. As much as it was terrifying, I think we all left that night happy that we did it. Like it was just a funny experience and just definitely something like you'll look back at and you'll just be like, huh, we did that. What really made January so amazing was that I actually ended up going on a family holiday for the last week. Last day at the beach house and I am feeling so grateful for the past week. I didn't even realize how much I needed this time to just disconnect. My family just rented like a nice beach house nearby, literally like 15 minutes from our house, but we just pretended we were like away from home and just like every day just napped and went to the beach and swam in the ocean and read books and listened to podcasts, and it was just so needed. I just fully disconnected. I've decided for this whole year I am fully deleting Instagram for the last week of each month. I am just fully disconnecting. I really need it as someone that loves social media. Obviously I love talking to you guys and I love sharing videos and photos, but it just can be very toxic and it definitely takes up a lot of my time, and I just really need breaks. And for me, I think the way I want to do that is just the last week of each month just completely disappear off social media. Like even today after my workout I went to a cafe with Heidi after, and she went to the bathroom. Sorry, this is really weird information, but like she went to the bathroom and I was just sitting there alone, and that's like a time that I would usually just spend like scrolling. And I just sat there and I was just like present and I just didn't go on my phone. And I think that used to make me feel really uncomfortable. Like, oh, what are people gonna think if I'm just sitting here doing nothing? But like, no one cares. No one even looks at you. No one like, like it's so weird that we think that we matter more than we do. Like no one cares. And if they do, like, I really respect people when they're just sitting there and doing nothing. Like I think that shows confidence. I'm just really happy that this year I'm going to strengthen my ability to disconnect from I don't know, all the toxic things that go on online. So we're ending January, we're stepping into February. I feel like I was able to process a lot this month, and I feel like I'm going into February a lot more. So we'll see how that goes. Like every video, I just want to say thank you guys, because your love and support truly means so much to me, and I'm just so grateful that stepping into this year I have you guys. Like, I honestly just feel like I have an online community now that I just feel so lucky to be a part of. Like, you guys are all just so lovely. Like, the messages you send me, you guys are all so wise and self-aware and loving and supportive, and I'm just so happy to be a part of this online community. I know that sounds cheesy, but I really do mean it, and I'm sending you guys all love no matter where you are. I hope that things get better if you're struggling, and just know they will. And I love you guys.